Welcome to HTML ID. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the various aspects of HTML IDs, including syntax, practical usage, and even some valuable tips. So, let's dive in. Before we delve deeper, let's briefly cover the target audience for this video. This tutorial is ideally suited for web developers who already possess a fundamental understanding of HTML, specifically HTML ID. HTML ID is a unique identifier added to HTML elements, and it's crucial to ensure that no two elements within the same HTML document share the same ID. If you're ready to enrich your knowledge of HTML ID, let's get started. HTML ID serves a critical purpose in web development. It provides a unique identifier for HTML elements, allowing developers to differentiate between specific elements and perform targeted actions. With HTML ID, you can effortlessly select and style individual elements using CSS, or dynamically manipulate them using JavaScript. By using ID attributes, you gain granular control over your web page structure, enhancing user experience and facilitating efficient development workflows. Now, let's dive into the syntax for creating an HTML ID. To define an HTML ID, you simply add the ID attribute to the opening tag of the desired HTML element. The value of the ID attribute should be a unique identifier, ensuring that no other elements within the same HTML document share the same ID. Let's take a look at an example. In this example, we have an element with a unique ID of mydiv. This ID allows us to specifically target and manipulate this particular element. HTML ID beautifully integrates with both CSS and JavaScript, offering immense control over element styling and behavior. In CSS, you can target HTML elements using their ID, # included with the name #mydiv, and apply specific styles to them. This enables the creation of visually stunning web pages with personalized elements. Additionally, in JavaScript, you can access and manipulate HTML elements by their ID. With the help of the getElementById method, you can dynamically alter element properties, such as its contents, appearance, or even add event listeners. This opens up a world of possibilities in terms of interactivity and customization. Now, let's explore some practical examples of HTML ID in action, which will help solidify your understanding. In this first example, we have a navigation menu with each menu item having a unique ID. By targeting these IDs in the CSS, we can achieve precise styling, such as changing the background color, font size, or even animating them. Moving on to JavaScript, imagine you have a form with multiple input fields. By assigning each input field a unique ID, you can easily access and validate user input, create dynamic form validation messages, or trigger specific actions based on user interactions. While HTML ID offers significant benefits, it's essential to be aware of some common mistakes to avoid when working with it. One common mistake is using duplicate IDs within the same HTML document. Remember, IDs must be unique, or you might encounter unexpected behavior or conflicts within your web page. Another mistake is using overly generic IDs, which might make your code less maintainable or prone to conflicts.